Hey, what's up guys, this is Deepon from WP Mafia, and in this video we will going to know how you can install and set up the WordPress Jetpack plugin. So first of all, go to your WordPress dashboard and here you can see plugin section and click on add new plugin. Let me tell you something about Jetpack. Here you can see the Jetpack by WordPress.com. Jetpack is a plugin by WordPress.com which helps you to optimize your website. Like you can optimize your images, you can add social sharing button, protection backup, you can add auto backup to your website, and definitely it will be cost you monthly or yearly subscription based. But here we will go only with free steps. So let me install the Jetpack plugin first of all. So click on install and it will install on your WordPress site. Then simply click on activate. But this is not enough. You have to create another account of WordPress.com. So here you can see setup Jetpack. To simply click on that and it will activate all essential products to your WordPress site. So here you can see you have two options: continue with WordPress.com or continue with Google. So you can choose both of them. I preferred that I preferred you to create a WordPress.com account so that you can add as much as you want the Jetpack plugin to any website. So here I am going with the Google. So click on that and you will ask to sign in with the Gmail account or Google account. To simply select your Google account, it will take a moment and automatically set up the account for you. So after some time the Jetpack will successfully installed, and here is some steps. If you want to upgrade your Jetpack plugin to premium plans, like here is three plans: personal, premium and professional, as per $39 per year or $99 per year and $299 per year. Each plans has their specific features. Like if you go with the personal plan, you will get daily backups, spam protection, expanded site activity, priority support and all free features. And also in premium you get extra SEO tools, all person features and site monetization, unlimited video hosting, automatic security fixes and daily malware checking. And as of professional, you can see there are real-time backups. It means that you can take backups at any time, any moment you want, and unlimited premium themes and all premium features. So this is three type of features. Spam protection is here you can see that I have more than 1400 comments that all are spam comments. As of now it is a new blog, so all these comments are spam comments doing by bots. And if you want to stop them, you have to install the Jetpack plugin. In the next video I will show you how you can protect your spam comments on your website. So here you can see three plans, but we will skip all of them and simply click on here start with free, because we don't want to pay right now. We'll upgrade it in early days. So here you can see the Jetpack is completely installed, and here is a tab with Jetpack name, and under this dashboard, settings, backup and site stats. With the setting, let me tell you some features. First of all, here is a security tab where you can see some security features like downtime monitoring. If you want to know when your website going down or going up, you can click on this get alerts button, enable to get notified whenever your website will down or get up. So this is very helpful tool. Also here you can see auto update plugins. If you want to update the plugins automatically, you can choose from here, but I don't recommend it because sometimes many plugins comes with many bugs, so it is not fair to automatically update them. Here is another great option which is brute force attack protection. If you enable it, you can save your site from attacking by hackers. But I essentially don't recommend this, because if you are new and if your website is very basic, is for blogging purpose, then it will don't need. But if your website is very crucial and you want to protect your website, then you can enable it. That's it. The next window is the performance, and here you can see that performance and speed. If you want to enable the site at accelerator, and if you want to load up images and static files like CDN, I will also make video on CDN, how to set up CDN. So that's for you have to subscribe my channel WP Mafia in future videos. And here you can enable this to load all images and static files like CSS and JSS from the Jetpack itself. If your server is low quality and has not that much power to load the images and CSS and JSS file faster, then you can enable it. But in my case, my server is really fast and I don't want to enable it. You can also enable lazy loading for images. That means that if you use very heavy images on your website, on your post, then it will affect your page loading speed on Google. So if you enable this, the text will load faster and the images will load lazily and some later. Then here is a writing, which is very basic things. You don't need to follow them. Just the next tab is publication connection. This is very interesting. If you want to share your post automatically to the social networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and other platforms, you can simply click on this and enable it. And you have to connect your social media accounts from clicking there, and you will migrating to the wordpress.com. and here you have to select all the social media and connect with them. Like here you can see the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Tumblr button are here. Simply click on connect and you will redirect to the facebook.com, and you can select your page or profile to automatically share. Whenever you publish a new post on wpmafia.com or your website, personal website, the post will automatically share this kind of platform. So this is very unique and very helpful for SEO purpose. If you also want to share like sharing buttons, if you also add to, there are many themes who already added sharing buttons in their post section. But if there is nothing available, you can add two types of button, like one is sharing button and two is Facebook like button. So in my case, I have the theme which comes with the all sharing button and like button, so I don't need this. The next step is discussion. Let visitor use a wordpress.com or Twitter, Facebook if you want to that. As you know, WordPress only has their own commenting system, but if you want that people who coming your website can able to comment with Twitter account or Facebook account or Google account, you can simply enable it, and the default WordPress comment system will be removed, and all of these are enabled. So this is very cool. You can also use them. The last tab is traffic. If you want to show related post, here you can simply click on that, so that all related post will be shown on the below the article. Also there are many simple things, like if you want to generate short links of your long article, here you can see the length of the URL. If you want to short them, you can enable wp.me short links generator. This will generate a shorter links of your each article, which you can share to your friends or anywhere you want. Then the next thing is sitemaps. If you don't have any SEO plugin, expected SEO or US SEO or all-in-one SEO or rank math, you can simply click on enable on it, and you can generate XML sitemap, which is generated by WordPress itself. And this is very amazing and very helpful. Also there are dedicated site verification tool. With this tool you can verify your website different search engines like Google, Bing, Pinterest, Index, or you can even use US SEO to do this. But WordPress has their dedicated feature. you can also use this on. And now finally setting tab is complete, and now here is backup, which is paid plugin. Of course, yeah, here is just a pop-up button, so we'll don't go ahead. Just simply click on site stat, and here you can see all your visitor stats. Here you can see today is no visit, and if I select this week or this month, so here you can see my website has started January 2019, and after that the website is growing, but suddenly in November 2020 I shut down my website, and here you can see 0 visitors. So basically this is a site stats where you can see your website stats expected Google Analytics, because you have to personally visit Google Analytics and express all the things. But in a shortcut code you can see on the dashboard how much visit you have gained today, or etc etc. So guys, that's it for all over Jetpack plugin. And this way you can install the Jetpack plugin. This is a tutorial about how to install Jetpack plugin and how to use it. In the next video I will definitely tell you how to block spam comments. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I will get you in the next one.